All right, what's up guys? It's Andrew, back for another video. I just finished at the gym, and in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make $100 in less than 10 minutes. So I'm about to show you how to make that $100. I don't know how long, under 10 minutes it will take, so that's just what I'm saying. It'll be in the title though, but yeah, I'm about to show you how to do this in the college library.
God know it be blessing me, even though I talk a lot. My biggest problem, trying to fix wide body in a parking spot. Never cause she play for keeps, just check the ball or not. AJ got an attitude, I'm Googling new designer now. And I miss my son, but everything about $1 now. And I know niggas scheme, but niggas.
All right, as you guys could see, we made it to the library. Again, all the rooms were full. A guy was waiting for this room and he let me get it, so we really do only have 10 minutes. Nice ass view though. Yeah, see you guys on the computer. All right, what's up guys? So we're just gonna be reverse sourcing this hat. If you haven't watched, this is gonna be like a speed run. If you haven't watched my video on how to reverse source, I recommend you do that. But yeah, we're literally about to make $100 in this short period of time. You guys can check this out right here. Yeah, no, I'm not rocking with this dude. All right, this guy's 38. These got to be good. We gotta get this shit real cheap though. I think we're literally green right here. Not even gonna lie, I think we're green right here. Columbia on the lower right. Oh, we're green. We're actually so green right here. All right, ready? Oh my goodness. I literally set a timer as well. 2 minutes 15, guys. We're good right here. We're done right here. I don't know why the recording was set to 5 minutes, but we don't even need the 5 minutes. All right, 1481. Does it have all sizes? It does. Oh my goodness. I low-key may just cook this right after I end the recording, honestly. All right. Obviously, you guys, again, watch the videos. This is fine. All right. This is enough movement. Amazon's in stock. That's fine. Look at all the FBM and FBA. It's still moving. And to validate this, look at all of these people. This is a W right here. All sizes perfect. Let's just check medium, because let's just assume that most women are medium, whatever. This is literally it. $100 just from this one listing because of all sizes. $14.81 buy cost. We're actually cooking. $14.81 buy cost. I'm not even gonna look at, bro. We literally just did the challenger right here. This was all raw. I don't know if people are gonna believe me or not. IP, don't worry about that. It's Columbia. People sell Columbia. It's a good brand. 60% plus FBM. This is literally a banger right here. Oh my goodness. So all you have to do is sell 10 of a size medium. So let's just be realistic though and say you get 5. That's typically you can't cook sites like that. Hello? 5. Okay, total profit of 5 size medium is 58.7. Let me put that in the calculator real quick. 58.7 plus, let's check a small, because I assume women are small as well. Let's see. Okay, so a little bit worse, but we're still gonna print with it. Buy cost was 1481. 1481. Another banger right here, literally another 5-piece right here, and we're actually so good. 536. Okay, not quite. Plus 36.55. 95.25. And then let's just say we get a couple larges. Let's say we get, okay, bang, large is actually the best that we've had right now. 24 seconds left. I don't know why it's cutting me off like this. 14.81 buy cost or whatever it was. Add one sale of this plus 8.91. How to make $100 in less than 10 minutes. All right, guys. I just finished some schoolwork at the library too, but hopefully you enjoyed the video. As you can see, I was not lying. Way under 10 minutes, $100 in profit. This just goes to show you, again, I'm gonna say it again, college student, all it takes is learning a very good skill and then doing it. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Follow and subscribe to all my socials, and if you do want help, DM me on Instagram. Peace.
But I'm conscious now. My big brother's beef and blood spill, so I can't stop it now.